Now we start exercise 4.3, chapter is 4, that is quadratic equation. Now we should start question 2 because first question is removed from your syllabus. So second question is question number 2. Here find the roots of quadratic equations given in question 1. जो question 1 के पार्ट से उन्हीं को हमें solve करना है above by applying the quadratic formula. उन्हीं questions को हमें quadratic formula के through solve करना है. So first part is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. Minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. We have to solve it by quadratic formula. So now firstly we have to compare it. So on comparing by standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So the value of a, coefficient of x square is a, here coefficient of x square is 2, so a equals to 2, b is the coefficient of x, so here it is minus 7, c is the constant term, here it is 3. Now by quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now x equals to minus b, that is minus 7, so minus 7 plus minus root b square, that means square of minus 7 minus 4 ac, a is 2 and c is 3 upon 2a, 2 into a, that is 2. Now simplifying, so minus minus plus 7 plus minus root, minus 7 square is 49 minus 4 to the 8 3 is 24 upon 2 to the 4. Now on simplifying, 7 plus minus root 25 upon 4, that means 7 plus minus root 25 is 5 upon 4. This is the value of x. Now there are two values. First we take plus sign and secondly we take minus sign. So here we took, implies that x equals to 7 plus 5 upon 4 and second value is x equals to 7 minus 5 upon 4. On simplifying, 7 plus 5 is 12. So 12 upon 4, that is 3. Here equals to 7 minus 5 is 2 upon 4, 2 to the 4, so it is 1 upon 2. So there are two values of x, 3 and half. That is your answer. Now we start third part. Remaining parts do yourself. So now I am starting third part. This is the first part. Now formula same use होगा. Now I am starting third part, which is there is a root in this. 4x square plus 4 root 3 x plus 3 equals to 0. Now here again if we compare it by ax square plus bx plus c, so ax square means a is 4, so a equals to 4, b equals to 4 root 3 and c equals to 3. Now on putting the values, minus b, that is minus 4 root 3 plus minus root b square means square of 4 root 3 minus 4 ac, a is 4 and c is 3, so into 4 into 3 upon 2a, so 2 into 4. Now minus 4 root 3 plus minus root 4 root 3 square means square of 4 and square of root 3 multiply. So 4 square is 16, root 3 square is 3, so 16 3 is 48 minus 4 4 is 16, 3 is 48, again both are same, upon 2 4 is 8. That means minus 4 root 3 plus minus root 0 means 0 upon 8. Now we can write two answers again, one with plus sign and second one with minus sign. So x equals to minus 4 root 3 plus 0 upon 8, and second we can put x equals to minus 4 root 3 minus 0 upon 8. Now minus 4 root 3 plus 0 means minus 4 root 3, सेम आ जाएगा. 0 हम ऐड करें या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, बोथ आर सेम. सो माइनस 4 रूट 3 अपॉन 8, 4 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 4 टू जाए 8, सो इट इज़ माइनस रूट 3 अपॉन 2, इट इज़ एक्स. नाउ हियर अगेन सेम, माइनस 4 रूट 3 अपॉन 8, 0 है तो सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा, सेम रहेगा वैल्यू. सो 4 टू जाए 8, अगेन वी कैंसिल इट, सो इट इज़ माइनस रूट 3 अपॉन 2. सो बोथ द zeros आर सेम. So here we can also check one condition, nature of roots. Here d, that is b square minus 4ac, its value is 0. That means roots are equal. Clear? Now we move to next question. So now next question, that is third. In third question there are two parts, so I am solving one part. One part you have to solve yourself now. So question number 3, there are two parts, so I am solving second part. Second part is 1 upon x plus 4, 1 upon x plus 4 plus or minus 1 upon x minus 7, 1 upon x minus 7 equals to 11 upon 30, and where x is not equal to minus 4 and 7. तो इसका कोई आगे ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं है, बस केवल ये देखना है कि x की वैल्यू -4 नहीं हो सकती और 7 नहीं हो सकती. क्यों नहीं हो सकती? क्योंकि अगर x अगर -4 हो गया तो -4 + 4 मीन्स 0, तो डिनोमिनेटर में अगर 0 आ जाएगा 1/0, इट्स वैल्यू नॉट डिफाइंड, इन्फिनिटी वी कैन से. So x minus 7, here x is 7, if we put, so 7 minus 7 again 0, 1/0, that means infinity, that is not defined. So these values are not the answer. Now, so simplify, we can take the LCM x plus 4 into x minus 7, x plus 4 into x minus 7. Now x plus 4 से divide होगा, ये cancel, so क्या बचा x minus 7 into 1, that means x minus 7 minus x minus 7 से cancel हो जाएगा, क्या बचेगा x plus 4 multiply by 1, here it is minus sign, so it will be minus x and minus 4 equals to 11 upon 30. Now x cancel, so we get minus 11 upon, multiply it, so x square plus 4x minus 7x minus 7 4 ja 28 equals to 11 upon 30. Now on cross multiplying, so it is minus 11 into 30 equals to 11 into x square plus 4x minus 7x minus 28. Now this 11 we can shift in LHS, so it is divided, that means minus 11 into 30 upon 11 equals to x square plus 4x minus 7x, that will be minus 3x minus 28. This 11 cancelled by 11, so it is left minus 30. This goes to in, shifted to RHS, that will be added. So 0 equals to positive sign हो जाएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे माइनस है. So we get x square minus 3x minus 28 and plus 30. Or we can write it, this term we can write in LHS, this term we can write RHS. So x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30, so it will be plus 2 equals to 0. Clear? Now we have to factorize. We can solve it by any method, quadratic formula or factorization. Here factorization is easy, so we can use factorization, that is splitting the middle term. Factors of 2 on adding we get 3, so 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Now x square minus 2 plus 1 into x plus 2 equals to 0. That means on opening the bracket, x square minus 2x minus plus minus 1x and plus 2 equals to 0. Here x square and 2x, what is common? Here x is common, so we can take x common. Now what is left? X and minus 2, so x minus 2 minus, nothing is common, we can take 1 common, so minus 1 common, so x is left positive sign. Now minus we are taking common, here it is plus 2, that means left minus 2 equals to 0. Now here the bracket is common, x minus 2, both the brackets are same, that means x minus 2 into x minus 1 equals to 0. Now we can put both the brackets equals to 0 separately, so x minus 2 0 and x minus 1 equals to 0. Here that means x equals to 2 and here x equals to 1, we get two values. Okay. Now we move to next question. Now next question is fourth. So fourth question is here, the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3, find his present age. So you can solve it yourself, because if we assume that Rahman's present age be x, then what is given? The reciprocal, sum of reciprocals. First 3 years ago means x minus 3 and after 5 years that means x plus 5. So 1/x minus 3 means here 1/x minus 3 plus 1/x plus 5 equals to 1/3. That is question 4. So you solve yourself. Now we start question 5. Fifth question is, in a class test the sum of Shefali's marks in maths and English, maths और English दोनों के total marks is given 30. So we can assume any subject's marks. So we are assuming let Shefali's marks in maths, in any subject we can assume. So mathematics we can assume X. Now Shefali's marks in English, second subject, we total sum is given 30. That means English marks will be 30 minus X, because if we add both the marks then we get 30. X cancel 30. Now what is given in second condition? Had she got 2 marks more in maths, अगर उसके maths में 2 marks ज़्यादा आ जाए तो new marks in maths we can write new marks in maths that means we should add 2 in the marks. So X is the marks, now add 2, so X plus 2. Now same new marks in English. English के marks 3 marks less हो रहे हैं तो 3 minus कर देंगे. So 30 minus X was the marks in previously, now we subtract 3. So 30 minus 3, that is 27 and minus X. Now given that, now the product would have been 210, means product of the marks. So product of marks equals to X plus 2 into 27 minus X, and it is given 210, so we can put in LHS 210 equals to X into 27, so it is 27X, X into minus X, so it is minus X square, 2 into 27, that is 54, and 2 into minus X, so it is minus 2X. Now X square is negative in RHS, so we shift in LHS. So we get X square with positive sign, 27X minus 2X, that is 25X, plus sign in RHS, so we shift in LHS, that will be minus 210 plus sign is here, 54 is plus sign here. If we shift to LHS 54, that will be negative, so 210 minus 54, that will be 156 equals to 0. Now we can solve by factorizing, splitting the middle term. So 156 कैसे factor plus करने पे 25, 13 और 12, 13 12 जा 156. Okay, so X square minus 13X minus 12X plus 156 equals to 0. Now we can take X common, so it is X minus 13 minus 12 is common, so it is X plus sign is here, minus common, so it means minus left. 12 से divide कर दीजिए, 12 13 जा 156. Now this bracket is common, so X minus 13, what is left? X and minus 12, so X minus 12 equals to 0. Now both the brackets are 0, so we can put separately X minus 13 equals to 0 and X minus 12 equals to 0. So here we get X equals to 13 and here we get X equals to 12. Means maths के marks दो हो सकते हैं, या तो 13 या फिर 12. तो marks in maths, if maths marks equals to 13, then English marks या English में जो marks आएंगे, that one 30 minus X, so 30 minus 13, that means 17. Now if we assume 12, so if marks in maths or maths marks बात की है, marks in maths equals to 12, then marks in English, that will be 30 minus 12, that will be 18. So there are two answers, 13 17 and 12 18. Now we move to next question, that is question 6. Now sixth question is, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the side of the field. So do it yourself. Now seventh question I am starting. Easy है, मेन सिक्स क्वेश्चन में क्या करना था थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर दे रहा हूँ. एक रेक्टेंगल है, शॉर्टर साइड को अगर हम x मान लें, डायगोनल इज गिवन 60 मोर, दैट मीन्स इट विल बी x प्लस 60, एंड लॉन्गर साइड इज गिवन मोर देन 30 टू द शॉर्टर साइड, दैट मीन्स इट विल बी x प्लस 30. This angle is 90, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. This is question 6. Now seventh question is, the difference of the squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Now here firstly we understand by two variables, then we convert into one variable. So here two numbers are there. We assume larger number. If we assume larger number x and smaller number y. Clear? Now what is given? Difference of the squares. So firstly square of larger number is x square minus smaller number square, y square is 180. And second condition is given, square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So square of a smaller number means y square equals to 8 times the larger number, that is x, 8x. These are two conditions. This is first condition, this is second condition. So firstly we use second condition. How it is? If we assume x larger number, so let larger number be x, number be x, then smaller number directly how we can find? By the second condition. So smaller number square, then smaller number square equals to 8 times the larger number, 8 into larger number. Clear? That means smaller number square equals to 8x, because larger number is x. Now if we separate here smaller number, that will be, we can get root of 8x. Clear? Now we use first condition, that is x square minus y square means larger number square, that is x square, minus smaller number square, that is root 8x ka square, so root 8x ka whole square, equals to, difference is given 180 by first condition. Now simplifying, x square minus root square remove ho jayega, means 8x, 180 transfer to LHS, that will be negative, equals to 0. Now we can factorize it, 180, 18 10 ja, so x square minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 equals to 0. Now take common, so x minus 18 plus 10 is common. Now here left x minus 18 equals to 0. Bracket is common. What is left? X plus 10 equals to 0. Now put both the brackets 0. That means we get x minus 18 equals to 0 and x plus 10 equals to 0. Here we get x equals to 18 and here we get x equals to minus 10. Minus 10 is not possible, negative number है, हम मोस्टली पॉजिटिव नंबर्स लेते हैं. ओके, सो इट इज़ रिजेक्टेड. क्लियर? और अगर ऐसे नहीं देखो तो आप इसको भी देखो, अगर आप स्मॉलर नंबर यहाँ पे फाइंड करेंगे माइनस 10 पुट करके, तो 8 10 80 माइनस 80 हो जाएगा, जिसका रूट हम सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते, रियल नंबर नहीं है, इसलिए इसको रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ फर्स्ट नंबर, देयरफॉर लार्जर नंबर वी एज्यूम x, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ 18, एंड स्मॉलर नंबर वी फाउंड रूट 8x, smaller number root of 8x, put the values, root 8 into 18 into 144, now root of 144, that is 12. So answers are 18 and 12.